Congratulations on purchasing the AVS Bugflector 2. What a smart buy! In fact, the Bugflector 2 will not only improve the look of your vehicle, but will also protect your investment, keeping your hood in showroom shape. And your new AVS Bugflector 2 features an easy, no-drill installation with all the hardware you need for a secure, car wash-safe fit, mounting directly off the hood for easy waxing and cleaning. So, let's take a look at just how easy it is to install your Bugflector 2. The whole process takes less than 10 minutes. First, you'll want to pop the hood and test fit the shield to see exactly where it's going to attach. Take your time and make sure all the holes align. Before you start installing your shield, be sure and thoroughly clean the surface under the hood, removing any residue. You'll also want to remove the backing from your double-sided tape. Align the shield on the vehicle once again and apply pressure where the tape attaches. Now, secure it with the hardware provided in your package. The last step is to attach the bump stops, which adhere directly to the hood and are designed to protect your paint should the shield be hit by a rock or debris. Your Bugflector 2 is now installed. Now you can enjoy the advantage this full-height wraparound version provides your hood, fender, and windshield. Be sure and visit our website to register your product for its limited lifetime warranty.